My name is Rushirajsinh Rathod, and I am a second year software engineering student. In this summer, I was developing a user interface for interactive modeling and planning tool under the supervision of Dr. Hossam Gaber. Now, you may be wondering what exactly is energy modeling tool and why do you even need it in the first place? So what happens is when we consider the development of a particular region, energy infrastructures play a very vital role in it. We cannot imagine any sort of development without energy being at the very core of it. So now what energy modeling tool does is it provides the city planners with a data in a best visualization manner so that they can make better informative decisions. Now you may be wondering how does the energy modeling tool works and what is the technology behind it. So basically what happens is we provide certain input parameters in our switch model, which by the way is a PyMO configuration, which runs in the backend, and it provides us with the specific KPIs. KPIs are key performance indicators. Now my job is to create an interactive user interface where the city planners can visualize this data in a simple way to create and plan the infrastructure for the city. Our model is currently considering the Durham region, and to make more data-driven approach, we have subdivided it into 13 zones, and each zone has different input parameters and thus output different output parameters depending upon the size of the zone, geographic significance, and the number of people residing in that particular zone. So the user interface is basically an interactive web map where the user has freedom to toggle switch to filter the data they desire for the zone. For example, the toggle switch is on for the three zones, and we can see the three zones displayed on the map with the polygons and the boundaries. And whenever a particular zone is selected, a pop-up is displayed, which gives us the area of the zone, which by the way is a real-time geodesic measurement. And it also provides us with the power demand in the graph and the water demand in the graph as well. So now for the energy infrastructure, we have our focus for water supply, hydrogen facilities, and nuclear power for now. So when those toggle switches are turned on, all the possible locations are displayed on the map with the specific icons on it, just to differentiate between different facilities. When each location is selected, it generates the output KPIs, which are important for the energy planners to decide whether the investment for the infrastructure is required or not. This project can be possibly scaled to regions bigger than Durham region in the foreseeable future. I thank Dr. Hossam Gaber for his supervision, and I thank the research office for this opportunity.